Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Algolia to your search UI for fast results step by step clearly. First, begin by creating an account on Algolia's website if you haven't done so already. Once your account is set up, log in to your Algolia dashboard. Click on the Create Index button to start a new index for your search data. Enter a name for your index, making it relevant to the data you will be using. Next, prepare your data in JSON format for upload. Make sure your JSON structure aligns with Algolia's requirements, including attributes for searchable text. Return to the Algolia dashboard and upload your JSON file by clicking on the Import button. After the upload is complete, head to the API Keys section under the API menu. Here, you will find the application ID and the admin API. These keys are essential for connecting your application to Algolia's search service. Now, navigate to your Search UI development environment. Install the Algolia Search Client library using your preferred package manager, such as npm or yarn. For example, run npm install Algolia Search if you are using npm. After the library is installed, import it into your JavaScript file. Initialize the Algolia client with your application ID and admin API key. Now, create a function to set up the search index by calling the initIndex method. Use the name of the index you created as an argument for this method. Next, implement a search function that takes an input query from your user interface. Within this function, utilize the search method of the index you just initialized. Pass the user's query as an argument to this search method to retrieve results. Once results are received, format them for display in your search UI. Update your UI to show the results dynamically as the user types. You may want to implement instant search capabilities by adding event listeners to the input field. Make sure to handle edge cases, such as no results found, and display appropriate messages. To improve user experience, consider adding filters or facets to refine search results. Lastly, perform testing to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Verify that searches return relevant results quickly and that your UI is responsive. With the integration completed, your search UI should now provide fast results powered by Algolia. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.